Mr. Lynch, and I am the Sky Academy 8th grade physical science teacher. I am really excited to start school here soon. We've been working very hard this week and last week in preparing for you guys to come in. I've been teaching a number of years, 20 plus years, and I'm in room 121. I have all 8th grade students. My interests are soccer. I played soccer in college. My interests are my dog. I kayak with my wife and canoe. As an 8th grade team, as part of the 8th grade team with Mrs. Fernandez, Ms. Kleisef, and Ms. Sisson, we have really focused on preparing you guys as you go through 8th grade to transition easily into high school after your 8th grade year. I'm really looking forward to working with all of you this year. I was here at this school last year, and I know a lot of people, a lot of students still. Don't forget to check out the supply list on the website, and again, I look forward to working with you this year. I want to show you how the classes will be set up, not just in my class, but all classes. As you can see here, here are the physical science Google Sites, Google Classroom. Honors is first period, honors is second period, third period, I do not have class, that would be my planning period. Fourth period is physical science, fifth period is physical science, sixth period is physical science, and then seventh period is the remote class, and I'll explain that in a moment. But there are students in every one of these classes that are in the remote class, and they will meet seventh period between 1:48, I'm going to show you here, and 2:40 right here. All remote students will meet seventh period from 1:48 to 2:40. How you get to that particular class, and I will post it in here, but right now I'm just going to show you it's in the classroom. Click here for your remote class, and you want to click here and view this material, or it will be posted by them. But there is the link to the classroom. It will be a live feed through Google Meet. Now, we may have to utilize this as well for our regular classes, but let's go back. That is for the remote students. But I want to show you how we have this, or how I have this set up. I have a resource topic. Scientific method is the first topic we're going to cover, followed by the following, as you can see here. Now, again, there's nothing in there. I'll be putting in assignments, homework, projects, into this particular area. But right now what I want to focus on with you real quick is the resources. You will not be given a copy of these, but these are all links that you can view and read and to get an idea of what's going on. Now, I just so happen to click the honors course. The syllabus for the honors course is very similar to the syllabus for the regular course. But if I click on this physical science syllabus right here, this will come up, and here is the physical science syllabus. What's important that you understand, we're in room 121. My email, my office hours are incredibly important to get extra help. Here are the topics and the areas that we'll be covering in class. This is going to be the same for the regular physical science class as well. Our textbooks are here, Discovery Online Learning, which we'll talk about a whole lot later. The grade scale, I want to emphasize here, the calculator and the earphones or headphones are very, very important. 60% of your grade will be a summative assessment, which is similar to a test, quiz, lab write-up, or a project. 20% of your grade will be formative assessments, which would be homework and things of that nature, classwork, so forth. Employability skills will be 3 points per day based upon the following items. Are you prepared for class? Are you on time and not tardy? And is your behavior conducive to learning? And we'll talk a little bit about this during the upcoming, when we meet next week. We'll talk about academic behaviors and rules of conduct. Going back here, that is the syllabus. The hyperlinks, this is a very important document because this is how you're going to be able to get from area to area on Google Chrome, and the site is here and the hyperlink is here. You'll be just clicking on those. Again, you can't change this. It'll be just in view for you, mode for you. The next generation Sunshine State standards are right here. These are the standards that we will be adhering to when we teach physical science this year in class at Sky Academy. And then finally, the last area of my lesson plans, it will give you an idea of what we're covering and when we're covering it. Let me make this a little smaller so you can see it. Okay, and here are the lesson plans for week 1, and you can kind of get an idea. Now, I want to let you know that these lesson plans are subject to change, and at times can be tentative depending upon how fast the class goes and at what pace we learn together. Again, I will be adding homework assignments as the week goes on, important information, like for example, if we have a fire drill or a code yellow drill, something to that effect will be in here. But these will be subject to change, but this just gives you a basic idea of what it is that we're trying to cover. Again, I look forward to meeting you next week and working with you and being part of your learning experience as we at Sky Academy prepare you for high school. Good luck, and I look forward to seeing you.